Brothers in arms, can they step up right now? Ramp push aa raha hai, nice smokes being placed, util usage, but Ninja, oh that's a big whiff. Kuzuri trying his best. Do pick zarur unhone nikala. Can he find another? Yes, he goes big.
Kuzuri?
First round 4K, can he find the ace? He does. One tap with the USP and the ace to start with. उनकी
रेडी तैनात हैं, जानना चाहेंगे कि खिलाड़ी कहां से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. इट्स ऑल द वे टुवर्ड साइड ए. एक एक करके जितने भी खिलाड़ी उनके सामने आ रहे हैं. शिनचैन डबल फ्रैग्स ऑलरेडी ऑन टू हिज नेम एंड दैट परफेक्ट मॉली जस्ट टू स्टॉल कि कोई खिलाड़ी उसके सामने ना आ जाए, सरप्राइज अटैक ना दे दे. AK-47 बरामद भी कर ली. ये बहुत ज्यादा स्नीकी था, बट निके लिए देखा जाए तो निकेश थोड़ा एग्रेसिव हो रहे हैं. तो क्या ये अच्छा रहेगा? नहीं, C4 साथ में ले चले थे. बहुत गलत डिसीजन
रहने वाला है. No util for this post plant, but looking in the wrong direction. Buns might just time it perfectly, and yes, he does.
Workout. बट अभी के लिए मिड की तरफ जितना भी पुश आप देख सकते हो, इट्स इक्वल रेजिलियंस कमिंग इन फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. लॉन्ग बैरल एग्रेसिव मैक 10 हाथ में बरामद किया एक फ्रैग. P7 sadly has to depart and alongside it's going to be recall master. थोड़ा इफी गेम प्ले गलतियां आ जाए. Kuzuri
Shadow.
जी, शैडो भी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत क्रूशियल रहता है एंड दैट्स ऑलरेडी बीन गिवन. गुड फ्लैश, पॉप फ्लैश करने की कोशिश, बट इट्स नॉट गोना बी वर्किंग आउट. Kuzuri, he's still trying to make a difference here.
Clutch situation here. Kit है उनके पास. आखिरी स्मोक, इस बार स्मोक को डिप्लॉय करेंगे rather than getting it caught in his hand. Finds the kill as well. 1v1. Punch. Read कर रहे, it's going to be a ramp play, but now that he's not seen anything, he thinks it should be a CT play. Sticking the diffuse kit here, Buns has to peek now. Finally sound given and ready for it. Kuzuri has been snappy. And
Vara Victorious Summers is so great at taking that. But क्या ये रीड लिया है कि बेंजीन ऑलरेडी जंगल पहुंच चुका है? ओके, रिकॉल मास्टर गुड फॉर 1, बट इंस्टेंट रीट्रेड आता हुआ शानदार तरीके से. P7 यहाँ पे फ्रैग जरूर उठाएंगे, बट वही चीजें कि डिले हो चुका है. आप कंट्रोल मिल चुका है, साइड कंट्रोल मिल चुका है. लॉन्ग बैरल, ही इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग, ही इज अनस्टॉपेबल. मॉली फैंकी knew that there's a player right in that corner. केव की तरफ से आना चाह रहे थे एंड शिनचैंग for this particular clutch moment. अभी के लिए वही फोकस रहने वाला है. मॉली just to deny him and ये डिफ्यूज होने वाला है. डिफ्यूज स्टिक हो रहा है. Is it going to be through the roof, through the wall? Wall back आ सकता है? नहीं आ रहा है. It's going to be a diffuse being stuck and victorious. अंजाम मिलेगा आपको. बट अभी के लिए एग्रेशन ऑन पॉइंट, बट बंस इंस्टेंटली शट डाउन होते हुए. शिनचैन मौके पे मौजूद थे, मौका वारदात पे मौजूद थे. निकेस ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इनके ऊपर ये जो हेवी टैक्टिकल एडवांटेज था. Kuzuri किस तरफ देख रहे हैं? BB1.
it's only Shinchan right now holding. Arikan is going to be the first one to take. No double swing. What was that? They do get the trade, but अब तो information मिल चुका है. Player spotted. आप सोचिए CT साइड में Victorious Simmons ने इतने राउंड्स हासिल किए, 9 to be specific. Spam आएगा. Niकेश again doubling this down. Xbox में साथ देते हुए अभी के लिए bunch, but he was only good for 1. P7 with a quick exchange. We did see recoil master. Kuzuri had it today.
Niकेश as well.
P7 के बहुत है, but ये बेंजीन के तरफ ही चल के जा रहे हैं.
Through that double door. And जैसे वो स्प्रिंग आउट होते, चीजें बद से बदतर हो सकती थी. फ्रैग लेने की कोशिश. निकेश एंड Arakin, गुड साझेदारी.
Look at BB1's turn around. Plant हो जाएगा. Long barrel. He finds one, but BB1 का push भी है. Long के तरफ control and a nice nade coming through. They catch that Pikachu and अभी के लिए recall. 2v2 here. One playing at short, one at long. एक cave से बाहर निकलेंगे and he's put down to dust. 1v1 and it's Arikan to clutch. Full on health is Arikan, but उनके opponent recoil master barely surviving on 31 and ringer roses खिलाते हुए अभी के लिए. This is a game of nursery rhymes, but Arikan finally clutches only to fail on time. That is map.
Kuzuri aggressive, knows that the player is right there, but अच्छा side step लेते हुए पहुंच चुके to one of these corners. But here's the thing, they couldn't spot long barrel all this time, and he's gonna be doing all of his due diligence. Buns just going ahead, going crazy. Recall master एक लौते खिलाड़ी बचते हुए क्या कर पाएंगे इस वक्त? डार्क के पास है जरूर, but he needs to fight off against 3 people. एक एक करके bodies line up.
7 pushed out, barrel की तरफ hold कर रहे हैं. Jumps up. Niकेश is up close. He spots one and Niकेश also jumps. Damage करने का प्रयास NC के साथ push out कर चुके हैं, but P7's just
गलती.
better on this. Niकेश is in a very tough spot. He deals with it. P7. Yeah. 2v2 here. One playing at short, one at long. Xbox में साथ देते हुए अभी के लिए bunch. P7 just better on this. Niकेश is in a very tough spot. He deals with it. P7. ये incendiary, it went a little too deep, but that will give the information कि खिलाड़ी है Benzene on side and he will be timed.
Fake किया पूरा gameplay and then you know right, pros don't fake, but at the end pros do fake. But ठीक है, इस वक्त Kuzuri अच्छा capitalization is and he's just getting all things done absolutely perfect in style. Buns being the last
Down
man.
to 61, but Benzene he's going to be crucial. Pit hold कर रहे हैं. Quad का अगर बात करेंगे वहाँ पे खिलाड़ी long barrel is good, but he gets a Glock
Benzene?
right on his head at 0 distance. But Benzene, along with Buns, doing the magic and recoil master.
हो चुका है. It's gonna be an A play coming in real soon. Long barrel waiting for it. Benzene set play बहुत ही बेहतरीन. 2 frag already ले जा चुका है. But P7 equalize करना चाहेंगे. Smart. But देखा जाए तो वो जो C4 वहां पे प्लांट किया गया है वो बहुत गलत स्पॉट में निंजा की तरफ है. कोई भी जाके निंजा डिफ्यूज कर सकता है. And that's what the try is gonna be. But there you go, Shinchan. He is waiting for all of this. नाक के नीचे से डिफ्यूज करने की कोशिश, but finally
Challenging Arikan, but they do spot him again. P7 गलती हो सकता है, but Arikan he oversteps this time. Nikes उनका तुरंत trade जरूर लेंगे. Now tries to spam it. Molotov आएगा, forcing off Nikes off the angle, but look at this push. Long barrel only good for one. खिलाड़ी नजर नहीं आते ना. There could have been a chance and a nade to clear the smoke. So that's repositioned with the AWP and Bunts. He'll be watching in the wrong direction, moving ahead and recoil master. He uses the smoke first. Nice smoke on the other end on the flower pots, making sure nobody's going to be having a higher angle. Long the pass. BB1 holding it and long barrel gets snapped. Hit zarur hai, so the retake chances are still going to be there. Flash and a nade as well. Complimentary for this retake and BB1 finds one more on that backstab. And now this is a 4v3 situation in advantage. Recoil Master has spotted one hiding in the corner. Pushes for the dark. Fails that. But BB1 Arikan को भी समाप्त करेंगे. BB1 is the game changer right as of now.
BB1 Obi-Wan Kenobi की तरह नक्शे कदम पे चलते हुए सेकंड फ्रैग भी उठा लेंगे and he has a time. उसके पास सब वेपनरी अवेलेबल है. यूटिलिटीज ऑन पॉइंट. देखा जाए तो it's all about those weapon games and Xinjiang making a difference, getting the first frag and दूसरे खिलाड़ी को बहुत ज्यादा smoke.
But push down from mid. Xinjiang finds one more second. A weapon upgrade. सारे खिलाड़ी mid hold करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. वापस आ रहे हैं ये लोग and मौका मिल सकता है Kuzuri.
हर एंगल होल्ड कर ली गया है. Pit, smaller pit, and even Ninja. The angles is amazing, but BB1 being the aggressive one gets the second one as well. Nikes, difference makes जरूर कर रहे हैं, but BB1 makes everything so easy.
Incendiary. Long barrel, can he find Xinjiang tucked right before the half wall? Fights the duel, wins it, but Arikan through the smoke. Kuzuri जो उनके पीछे थे उनको निकालेंगे and then Nikes. That was just bad play coming through. However, P7 was ready for all of it.
जा रहे हैं. He has a defusal kit. Utilize करना पड़ेगा. On point, recoil master gets that trade, but Buns, he was holding it all right towards the quad area. एक frag उठाया जरूर है, and it's all down to Benzene. Benzene aggressive हुए जरूर, but time buy कर दिया है. क्या हो पाएगा ये? नहीं हो पाएगा. Benzene.
More time again, another incendiary. It separates two players, but Nikes through the smoke आएंगे. And now look at this coffin play. Kuzuri can be huge here, and he is finding them all off. Oh my God!
Way.
Moving towards shot. P7 just flashes, no other utils for him. Nice prop on that box. Damage जरूर करेंगे, but no kill to be found. Xinjiang on the other end works. BB1 again coming in clutch,
BB1?
doubles down. But उनके पीछे एक और खिलाड़ी रहने वाला है. Oh, the timing.
Nice
Nikes has
volley.
to step in the flame. He's dropped to 28. And one playing in dark. Nikes tucked as deep as possible, but अगर prop up करेंगे मुश्किल हो सकता है. Kuzuri not checking. And Nikes की
He knew HP अच्छी है मेरे ऊपर. भागे, लंच किया, लीप किया, and Benzene इसी बीच में इन्होंने एक ओपनिंग खोली है. Second
overtime. But क्या change किया जा सकता है? Nice incendiary to the new box. Benzene strongly holding. But BB1 आ जाता है. This man has been huge on Inferno. But that's just the first frag. Benzene holding close. Xinjiang आ जाएंगे. There's another dark पे भी मिल जाएगा. Benzene also falls. And it's one last player. Nikes has to save this game. But he doesn't manage to. Rounds done. Victor Summers. They close this lower bracket round.